Gooey Jellyfish by Natalie Lunis. No bones. Jellyfish are animals that live in the sea. They are not really fish. However, every kind of fish has a skeleton with a backbone. Jellyfish don't have backbones. They don't have any bones at all. Since jellyfish are not fish, some people call them jellies or sea jellies. Bell-shaped bodies. Bones aren't the only thing jellyfish don't have. They don't have brains, hearts, or blood either. They do have lots of jelly in their bell-shaped bodies. They also have mouths and stomachs. A jellyfish mouth is on the bottom of its body. Mouth. Large and small. There are about 2,000 kinds of jellyfish. The largest jellyfish is larger than a person. The smallest is smaller than a grape. Jellyfish live in all the world's oceans. Stinging strands. Most jellyfish have tentacles and feeding arms hanging down from their bodies. These body parts look like strands of seaweed. They are not harmless. However, they can have a deadly sting. Some jellyfish have tentacles that are more than 100 feet, 30 meters long. Others have tentacles that are almost too small to see. Feeding arms. Tentacles.
Tentacle.
Tentacle. Any of various long flexible structures that stick out usually around the head or mouth of an animal, as a jellyfish or sea animal, and are used especially for feeding or grasping. Something that resembles a tentacle, especially in or as if in grasping or feeling out, is sensitive hair on a plant. Floating traps. Jellyfish use their tentacles to get food. Fish sometimes swim right into them. Thousands, if of tiny stingers on the tentacles kill or stun the fish. Then the jellyfish uses its feeding arms to pull the food into its mouth. Plankton jellyfish also catch and eat plankton, shrimps, crabs, and other jellyfish. Gooey meals. A jellyfish isn't much of a meal for other animals. Its gooey body is mostly water. Its tentacles can be full of poison. Still, some fish and sea turtles hunt and eat jellyfish. Seagulls and other birds sometimes peck at them when they wash up on shore. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are a favorite food of featherback turtles, the largest turtles in the world. Sea turtle, jellyfish. Harmless or harmful. Sometimes swimmers brush against jellyfish and get stung. The sting of most jellyfish are not harmful. A few kinds have dangerous stings. However, the most dangerous of all is the Australian box jellyfish. The body of a box jellyfish is shaped like a box instead of a bell. Box jellyfish. Danger sea wasp. The Australian box jellyfish is also called the sea wasp. It is one of the deadliest animals on earth. Its sting is more poisonous than any snake bite. Its tentacles hold enough poison to kill 60 people. The Australian box jellyfish swims and drifts in ocean waters of Australia. Signs there warn swimmers to stay out of the water. Floating and fishing. No matter how poisonous they may be, jellyfish do not chase or attack people. Instead, they spend their lives floating in the sea. With their tentacles dangling down, they want for their next meal to come along. Of the 2000 kinds of jellyfish, only about 70 can harm or kill people with their stings. A world of invertebrates. Here are 4 invertebrates that are closely related to jellyfish. Like jellyfish, they all live in the ocean. Brain coral, sea pen, sea animal, comb jelly. Animals that have backbones are known as vertebrates. Vertebrates. Mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians are all vertebrates. Animals that don't have backbones are invertebrates. Invertebrates. Worms, jellyfish, snails, and sea stars are all invertebrates. So are all insects and spiders. More than 95% of all kinds of animals are invertebrates.